their tail. When you get big, we'll go to SeaWorld, okay? And watch the dolphin and the shark.
We're on video in the hot tub.
Say hi,
November
Papa.
20th. Caden is 11 months old today.
11 months old today. He's got a birthday in 4 weeks.
Landon, how hot is the water?
So hot.
So hot? We probably don't want to stay in too much longer, huh?
What are you playing with? Tell Papa. Kick. Oh, kick. Oh, hi, Papa. Oh, there's a big sea turtle. Can he ride on his back? Sea turtle? Whoa. Oh, he's going to go in the drain. Don't go in the drain, Mr. Sea Turtle. Hi, Papa. Here's the pink one. Oh, no. Oh, okay, we don't want to eat that. Let's not eat that one. How about this one? Take that one. That's an otter. I think that's an otter, isn't it? Or is that... I don't think he's supposed to be a seal, but he might be a seal. You want to take the seal. Seals go, arf, arf, arf. Can you do that like Landon? How does a seal go?
No.
Arf,